Beloved learners, how are you? Hope you are well, and I think you are going on class at the moment. You are doing it regularly. So today I am going to take a class on English first paper of class 9 and 10, and it is taken from unit 4, and the name of the lesson is the ferry boat. Do you know the Bengali meaning of ferry boat? Ferry boat means Khia Nauka. Ferry boat, the Bengali meaning of ferry boat means Khia Nauka. Ferry boat can be explained flying boat. Flying boat. Fly means a regular route where buses, trucks, cars, boats can travel in regular time. So this is ferry boat, and the Bengali meaning is ferry boat Khia Nauka. Do you see the picture? What is the picture? This is a boat. This is a boat, and the boat is overcrowded. Tasatashi. There are many people. There are many people on the boat. So, if I want to know from you, where can you find this kind of boat? Do you know? I hope you know. We can find this kind of boat in villages, towns and cities where there are rivers but there is no bridge. In such places, we can see such boats. Number 2, why does the boatman passenger across a river? Across a river. Why does the boatman carry? Only for money? Money. The boatman carries. Why did I write here carries? Because does is found. And for this reason, I wrote carries. The boatman carries passengers across a river to earn money. তাছাড়াও besides this, his profession. The boatman carries passengers across a river to earn money. Besides, this is his profession also. So a boatman carries passengers. If you go for number 3. For number 3. What is the question? Why do people use country boat? Why do people use country boat? People use country boats to cross a river where there is no bridge, because people have to go, and for this reason people use country boats to cross a river where there is no bridge. Only boats are the way for crossing the river. But if you find such boat, is this safe? I think you will say this is not safe. This is dangerous, because there are many people here. So, dear learners, you will be careful for such type of boat. You must not use this boat because there are many people. Now, we are reading the text. There is the text. Here, is there anybody here who has crossed a river by a country boat? There is a question. Who said this? Can you say? The teacher said. This is a classroom. In a classroom, a teacher entered and asked the students, is there anybody? Is there anybody who has crossed a river by a country boat? Then one of them, named Jamil said, I have, teacher. I have, teacher, said Jamil. And I clearly remember Jamil started speaking. Sir, I have experience in crossing boat, and I can clearly remember what happened, what occurred, what took place. Jamil boldly answered with the teacher that he had experience in crossing a boat. And in that journey, then teacher asked, would you please tell us? Would you please tell us what happened? Then the teacher wanted to know. Since Jamil had experience, so the teacher wanted to know from Jamil that how experienced was it. So he wanted to know from him, would you please tell us what happened? The teacher asked. Means the teacher wanted to know from Jamil that, okay teacher. Jamil became very happy because he will express his memory. It is a matter of joy. So Jamil started, okay teacher, it happened when I was in class 6. When I was in class 6, it happened. When I was in class 6, it happened. On a weekly bazaar day, daily bazaar, weekly bazaar, monthly bazaar, you will see some bazaars in villages specially. So that was weekly bazaar. For this reason, Jamil started telling on a weekly bazaar day, people were coming back. Come back means returning from with their shopping bags, because people had already bought their daily necessaries from the market and they started going for home. So they had bags, they had shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulders and heads, everything what they had. They were returning from the bazaar and they had to cross the river. There was a problem. Problem was, on the way there was a river. They have to cross it. So they had to cross it. They had to cross the river. It was not a big river. It was not a matter of regret or matter of wonder that it was a big river. It was a small river. It was not a big river. There was a ferry boat. Ferry boat means Khia Nauka. Khia Nauka, flying regularly on a definite route on the river. The boat could cross, means the boat needed only 8 to 10 minutes to cross the river. Within 8 or 10 minutes, the boatman was able to cross the river with the boat on that bank. On the other side of the bank, the boatman was able to cross it within 8 or 10 minutes. It was just after sunset. It was already dark, started being dark, and after sunset, and this is a matter of wonder. What is wonder? The weather was not good. The weather was bad. The weather was getting worse. Suddenly, the weather started blowing wind heavily. The wind started blowing from the northwest. This is very dangerous. People started thinking how to cross the river and we'll go their home. Black clouds were moving, were flying fast in the sky. Means it was so fast that the storm will come within a moment. Everybody was trying to get into You know, get into, get down. When the train arrives at the station, what we do? We get into the train very quickly. There starts a competition. So everybody was trying to get into the boat. Seeing the condition of the boat, the boatman started to shout, "No more, no more, no more, no more. Please wait." Means the boatman could realize the fact that something can happen what may be very dangerous for the people. So the boatman prohibited everybody not to get into the boat. Then the boatman shouted, but nobody listened to him. Nobody listened to him. Everybody tried to get into the boat. Then what happened? Then Jamil asked Rumi. Rumi is another classmate because the story was told in the classroom. One of the students with interest wanted to know what happened. Then with too many people. Then Jamil replied that with too many people on board, the boat sank in the middle of the river. This is very dangerous. A boat sank in the middle of the river. So people may lose their lives. Oh no, what happened then? Asked the teacher. Then the teacher wanted to know the real condition. What happened? The teacher anxiously asked Jamil to tell the condition what happened. What happened? Oh no, what happened then? Asked the teacher. Thank God. God bless us. Jamil replied that God blessed us. It was not a fatal accident. Fatal means serious. Fatal means serious. Accident means mishap. It was not a fatal accident. It was not very dangerous something. All the passengers swam. Swam came from swim. Swam on the swam to the other side. But some of them, everybody became safe, but some of people lost their things, such as oil, salt and milk. They had already lost their daily necessaries because there was water, there was a dangerous. Everybody wanted to save his life. It was a serious moment, and for this reason, they at first thought about his or her life, how he will save his life. Then teacher asked, why are you on the boat? Asked the teacher. The teacher asked him if he had been on the boat, that question came because there is a good relationship between a teacher and a student. A teacher loves his student very much. So he asked him if he had on the boat. No, teacher. Seeing the boat overcrowded, I will say the Bengali meaning of overcrowded means tasha-tashi. Overcrowded. When Jamil looked that this is overcrowded, he waited, means I waited for the next time. Jamil waited for the next time, replied Jamil. Then the teacher became very happy, very pleased. Being pleased, he told that you have done the right thing. You are correct. Otherwise, an accident would happen. So, this was the story. Now we can evaluate. We can evaluate such question because a class is not complete without evaluation. Here, if you follow the first question, a ferry boat was flying on the river. Here, flying means, what will be the answer? Answer will be flying with other boats. No. Sinking the river. No. Traveling along a route. This is the answer. Traveling along a road. Waiting for passengers. No. Means flying is something that will move, that will go, that will make a journey on a regular route. Number 2, why was everybody trying to get into the boat? Because it was a weekly bazaar day? No. After sunset, no ferry would fly on the river? No. Everybody had shopping bags with them? No. The answer was, it was going to be a dark and stormy evening. It was a stormy evening. It started becoming dark. So they tried to get into the boat. Number 3, the boatman requested the people to wait because his boat was very small. No, his boat was not very small. The boat had already too many people. This is the answer. The boat had already too many people, and for this reason, the ferryman, the boatman shouted saying, no, no, no. Number 4, with too many people can board on the boat sank. Here the phrase on board, on the boat. We can say this is on the boat. Number 5, it was not a fatal accident. I told you, fatal accident means serious accident. The statement tells us, statement means narration, tells us that nobody died. It was a happy news that nobody died. The boatman was overcrowded. Here overcrowded means people were quarreling on the boat. No. People were not quarreling. The boat was unable to carry any more people. This was the reason. The boat was not able to carry many people. And for this reason, the boatman advised them not to get into the boat. So, this is the take the best answer you will get in first question, and here you can get another question. Here WS question will get in number 2. So here you can remember some points. For example, if you get who, you can write this is person. If you get where, you can write place. If you get why, you can write because. You can get when, you can write time. You can get what, you can get right thing. You can get this answer against number 2. Number 2, here you will get 5 questions. 2 into 5 equal to 10. This is very important. If you get who, then person. But remember one thing very clearly. Who, subject, whom, object, whose, possessive. This is possessive. This is object. This is subject. This is subject. When you will get in the question paper where, then place will become. You must write the name of place in your answer. When you will get why, you must write because. Why did it happen? When you will get when, you must mention time. When you will get what, you must mention thing. If you get how, then the answer may be various in that case. Dear learners, remember one thing very clearly. Then you can get or you can write the answer in the examination hall very nicely. What is the point? Point is, if you get in the question do or does, what plus maybe do or does, then the answer will be in the form of present indefinite. If you get do or does, then the answer will be in the form of present indefinite. Remember it. This is very important. If you get, for example, why plus, you will get did. You will get did here. your answer, the answer will be in the form of past indefinite. In other cases, you will get auxiliary verbs, but two remembers are needed to increase the knowledge. If you get do or does, then your answer will be in the form of present indefinite. If you get did, your answer will be in the form of past indefinite. Remember this thing very clearly. Otherwise, you have to face a danger in the examination hall. In other cases, you will get all auxiliary verb. There is no problem for writing the answer. This is the important point because you will get 5 questions. It contains 10 marks. So, today I will discuss about a passage from class 9 and 10. This is very important, I think, because language should be very easy. You will try your level best at your home so that you can write, you can clear your idea at your home. We are not at home. If you feel us, you will phone our subject teachers. They will try their level best to solve your problem. Now, this period is not at all happiest mood for us. So, we all can pray to God only to save everybody. Thank you.